All right, so maybe you have a newer iPhone and you have a newer Samsung TV like this one here, and you're wanting to connect your iPhone, which I'm filming on right now, to your new TV. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do that with no extra wires or no extra components involved, just your phone and your TV. That's today's video. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you're watching this, you're maybe in a situation where you're wanting to mirror your iPhone or your iMac or your iPad to your Samsung TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So one of the great things that Samsung has offered in their newer TVs, and this one right here is the 43-inch 6 series, is that they have Apple AirPlay built into the TV so that you can mirror whatever's on your phone on the TV or whatever's on your iMac or your iPad on the TV. So maybe it's giving you a bigger real estate to watch whatever it is that you're wanting to watch. Now, back in the day, you had to buy an Apple TV device, another device, and you know how Apple is. They're really expensive with anything that they produce, so you had to buy an expensive Apple TV to mount somewhere on here or behind the TV on your counter, run an HDMI to the TV, and then you have another component, and then you would then mirror your phone or your iPad to the Apple TV, then to the TV, whatever TV that you have. But now Samsung has eliminated the middleman, so to speak, so that you can just take and mirror it wirelessly to its device right here. Now, the great thing about that is back in the day, Samsung and Apple, they didn't play well together, so they would be able to have that capability for their phones, their Samsung phones, and not the iPhone. But now we're living in a day and age where they're playing well together and you're able to mirror your iPhone to the TV now. So I'm going to show you in the settings how you do that. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit the home button here, and then that brings up that menu that comes up on the bottom of your screen right there. And then on the, as you can see, I've got all these icons on the bottom, but you're going to want to go all the way over to where settings is right there, the second tab over. Now, you're not going to want to click up like that. You're going to want to stay on the settings tab. That's a little secret that I didn't really know until I started playing around with it, because I would always want to go to settings and then go up and then find a menu here. But you just go to the settings tab and then you hit the enter button right here. So once you hit that, this box pops up, and then you go down to general. Ooh, I went down one too many. Right there to general, you click over, and then right there you'll see where it says Apple AirPlay settings, and then you'll click there. It brings up this new menu. You want to make sure that AirPlay is on, and then require code on the first time only, so that way you're not having to punch in a code every time that you want to do it. But this is where you would punch in to get your Apple AirPlay working so that your smartphone will sync up on your Samsung TV. Okay, so the next step that you want to do is you're going to want to grab your iPhone, which I'm holding right now, and you're going to want to swipe down and go to mirror screen. So I'm going to grab another recording device to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so now we're on another recording device. This is the phone. So you'll tap, and you're going to want to go to this top right corner here and swipe down, and it brings up your Apple menu here. And then as you can see right there is screen mirroring. So you'll tap on that, and depending on your Wi-Fi network, you got to make sure your TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, it brought up both of my Samsung TVs that are in my house. So I would want to tap onto the 6 series to mirror my phone to the TV. Now, this particular feature may not work on every Samsung TV, so follow the steps that I did there to find out if your TV is compatible to do this. Now, this one here is the 6 series, the Samsung 4K Ultra High Definition 6 series. So this one has the capability I think a lot of your newer Samsung TVs will have this option available, but that's how you figure it out if it has that type of capability to mirror your phone to the screen. Well, I hope this little video was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure you throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. So until then, be creative. Sometimes making videos is not always polished. I don't always get everything right. Here's the blooper reel. Well, I hope this little tip video was helpful. Well, I hope this little tip video was helpful. Well, I hope this little tip video was helpful for... Forget it.